Hrs Wireless Pro. Let's take a look at the design. We have introduced the classic color combination of black, yellow and the bold blue-green for the Buds Wireless Pro. The timeless and trendy appeal of these colors make the earbuds a truly trend-setting gadget to show off your personality. The Realme Buds Wireless Pro is also equipped with Realme's deeply customized S1 high-performance noise cancellation chip, which guarantees some of the most versatile noise cancellation effect while consuming low power. The Realme Buds Wireless Pro has dual mic active noise cancellation with a maximum noise reduction of up to 35 decibels, the same high level as the Buds Air Pro. It applies the same noise cancellation technology as the Buds Air Pro that can deliver the same level of noise cancellation as industry's best ANC headphones. As you can see from the graph here as well, the noise cancellation of the Buds Air Pro is outstanding at all frequencies. To be honest, I would really love all our users to test out ANC headphones because it just feels great to know that you're listening to really crisp audio. Before you turn on ANC with Buds Wireless Pro, it's like you're on a crowded street, and as soon as you turn it on, you'll feel like you're back in a quiet, serene room. Of course, the Realme Buds Wireless Pro comes also with transparency mode. The noise cancellation technology is also applied in the calling feature. The voice talk microphone and ANC ambient noise cancellation algorithms can remove as much ambient noise as possible while collecting your voice very clearly so that the others can hear you very well. The Realme Buds Wireless Pro is our flagship headset product and offers supreme quality without any compromise. In the small body of the earbuds, we have used large 13.6 mm dynamic bass boost drivers. It is one of the largest units in similar products. And we have another new and exciting upgrade on the sound quality. I'm happy to tell you that the Realme Buds Wireless Pro supports 990 kbps LDAC high-quality Bluetooth audio transmission and is also Hrs certified. With 990 kbps at hand, more data can be transferred to reproduce higher quality audio. With the ordinary SBC codec, you can hear that the sound quality is really not that high. In comparison, LDAC gives you really high fidelity audio and gives you a premium sound experience. The Realme Buds Wireless Pro also supports gaming mode with 119 millisecond super low latency, which is a new feature in the wireless neckband category. So you can enjoy complete synchronization of audio and picture when playing games. The Realme Buds Wireless Pro is equipped with a large 160 mAh battery. Even with the noise cancellation on, you can enjoy up to 16 hours of battery life. That is all day long. With 1.5 hours full charging, you add another 16 hours. That's basically non-stop battery. The magnetic instant connection is there as well. Separating the buds will automatically switch the power on and connect to the devices, while clipping them together will disconnect and save the battery life when you're not using them. Also, the Buds Wireless Pro can connect two devices at the same time and switch between them in one click. This is one feature that so many people have been asking us, and I'm glad that we were able to finally bring it. It's super convenient, so if you always work with a laptop and a smartphone, you literally can quickly switch between these devices. Besides, you can use the multi-function button to freely control your Realme Buds Wireless Pro. I frankly feel that while there are some really good earphones out there, ergonomics is generally overlooked when it comes to neck bands. This is where we have also made sure that the design is very good. The Realme Buds Wireless Pro solves this issue with an aluminum shell, titanium memory structure and silicone surface combination. Weighing just 33 grams, it is extremely lightweight. It also supports IPX4 water resistance and can easily pull through a good workout session. Now let's have a short video.
Realme Buds Wireless Pro. Noise off. Music on. Realme Buds Wireless Pro. Noise off, music on. Realme. Dare to leap.
Well, the Realme Buds Wireless Pro ANC headphone features industry top 35 decibel active noise cancellation feature, 13.6 large dynamic bass boost drivers, LDAC codec with high-res certifications and low latency transmission, long-lasting battery life in only a small, light, ultra-weight 33-gram body. To top it all, the Realme Buds Wireless Pro is super trendy, supremely useful and highly durable.